Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to lock any chat on WhatsApp, and also how to hide the locked chats folder using the secret code feature. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Go to the chat you want to lock. Press and hold on the chat, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Lock Chat. Tap Continue, then enter your device's screen password. The chat is now locked. If you want to hide locked chats, tap on the Locked Chats folder, then tap the three dots again and choose Chat Lock Settings. Turn on Hide Locked Chats. You'll be asked to create a secret code. Tap the field and enter any secret code you want. Tap Next, then confirm the same code. Now the locked chats are hidden from the chat list. To access them, just type your secret code in the search bar, and the hidden chats will appear. And that's it. You now know how to lock a chat on WhatsApp and completely hide it from your chat list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.